Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to use the new and exciting feature from Canva, that is Canva Courses. I have been using it extensively for myself, and if you will see, I have created a lot of courses like AI in marketing, AI driven success. These are some of the courses that I have created with different modules and all of that. So we'll see how you can create courses using Canva. We go to canva.com and you won't see courses over here anywhere. So if you click on more, you won't see courses here as well. So where do you find courses? So you would find courses in projects. So when you click on projects, and when you see over here, you get an option to add new. And add new, you will find an option to add a new folder or add a new course. That's where you add a new course. Now when you add a new course, you can give the course title. Let's say how to start a new business, and then you can add some description, and then you can start adding activities to the course. Now what these activities are, now this activity could be a number of things. This could be a presentation, it could be a whiteboard, it could be a document, it could be a video, it could be again a document, a lot of things. So whatever you want to add can be added here. So let's start with adding a presentation. So that's the first topic of your Canva course. So if I say how to, let's say how to start a business is the first topic that I have. I use a template presentation and I name it how to start a business. That's my first topic. Now when I go back and I refresh it, you would see that the first topic or the first activity is now updated. The next activity, let's say once again I select presentation, and this time I want this presentation to be a quiz. So I select a quiz and I add one of the templates from quiz and I apply all. So all of the 19 pages are here. Now this becomes a quiz of your course. So you can update the content, obviously update the content, update the branding and all of that. But yeah, here is the quiz to test the knowledge of the participants who are taking the courses. Now there's another module that you can add is a document. Let's say I add a document here and in this document I want to refer to one of my YouTube videos. Let's say this one. Okay, and I also open it. So that's a YouTube video, set up your social media with Canva, an easy tutorial. Now what I do is,
how much time would it take you to make a PowerPoint presentation? Maybe 1 to 2 days.
So what I do here is,
let's set up our Facebook profile photo.
Okay,
this is gonna be interesting. Let's start with Facebook profile. Let's search whatever you want to do. Just search it on Canva.
I click on transcript,
Facebook profile pic.
I copy the entire
the
transcript
options and the other templates that you get. You must have seen a lot of people using these. Okay, let's
I copy
choose
this.
anyone.
I come to my ChatGPT page. ChatGPT.
So let's say
I come to my and I ask ChatGPT to summarize key takeaways from this YouTube video script. Don't leave any important topic discussed. Keep the language simple and easy to understand. And then I copy paste the script and I hit on enter. I get the key takeaways. I can also, so I will copy the key takeaways and I'll add it over here. So key takeaways from the video script. And now for the quiz section that we had just created, I'll ask ChatGPT once again to, based on the key takeaways, give me 5 questions that I can ask the learners who have gone through the video to test their understanding and knowledge. Now I can, so it's only the questions, so I can also ask, give me 4 options with each question, 1 being the right answer and 4 being wrong ones. So I get the question, I get the options. Now I can put these questions in the quiz that we had created, and our course would be ready. Now once we have all of this ready, I can now assign this course to one of my team member. Now I cannot sell these courses, rather this is only for the internal use for my team members, and that is the only limitation of Canva courses at this point of time. So it's good for you, it's good for your team members, but you cannot share it with anybody else. You do not get a public view link as at this point of time. Even you click on share, you copy the link, let's say you only get the option to private, or your team members can view or edit it. You do not get a public view link. So that's the only limitation. Otherwise, it's an awesome feature. I use it extensively, and you can give it a try as well. So that was all about Canva courses. Should you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer.